Ever wondered how your favorite breakfast cereal actually gets made? Grab your spoon, because I'm about to take you behind the scenes of the journey from grain to bowl. First up, it's all about picking the right grain. Corn becomes cornflakes, rice turns into those crispy, puffed rice bits, wheat is for flakes or bran cereals, and oats go into granola. Before anything else, these grains get a serious cleaning. No dust, husks, or random surprises allowed. Next, time to cook. The grains head into huge pressure cookers swimming in water or steam. This is where flavor magic happens. Think sugar, salt, maybe a bit of honey or malt. Sometimes they even sneak in extra vitamins and minerals. All of this softens the grain and locks in those tasty notes. Once cooked, the grains need a breather. They're dried or cooled so they won't stick together, and to get them ready for the real transformation. Now comes the cool part, shaping. If you love flakes, that's thanks to rollers smashing the grains flat. Puffed cereals? Those happen when grains are blasted in high-pressure puffing machines. Boom, instant puffiness. And for all those fun shapes like loops or stars, dough made from grain flour gets squeezed through molds, just like Play-Doh. But wait, we're not done. The shaped cereal heads into ovens or rotating drums where it's toasted or baked. That's how it gets so crunchy and perfectly golden. Some cereals get the VIP treatment, sugar or honey glazes, maybe chocolate, or even dried fruit and nuts if you're fancy. This is what makes certain cereals extra irresistible. Almost finished, the cereal is cooled and dried one last time. This step is all about making it deliciously crispy and keeping it fresh for longer. Finally, it's time for packing. The cereal is weighed, boxed, sealed up tight, and labeled with all that nutritional info. And there you have it, the science, and a little art, behind your morning bowl of cereal.